For the pumpkin activity, we are going to use cardboard. I am going to use cardboard for recycling. Can you see? This is cardboard for recycling. You don't have to buy, no lo tienes que comprar, lo puedes utilizar, cartón de reciclamiento. En el material que les estoy poniendo en el cronograma hay una calabaza. There is a pumpkin, but you can use your own design. Pero puedes hacer tu propio diseño, no tienes que usar el mío. Puedes dibujarle ojitos y carita o simplemente dejarlo así. For this activity, you can use any kind of paper. Puedes utilizar cualquier tipo de papel. I bought papel crepé. Or China paper. Puedes comprar papel de China o tu propio papel que quieras. For this activity, we need orange paper and black paper. With the help of somebody of my family, I have to cut pieces of paper. Check my scissors are not Sharpie. But if you need help, ask for help. Pide ayuda. And cut pieces of paper, orange and black. For this activity, we are going to practice embolillado. The name of this activity is embolillado. With your fingers, students are going to work with paper like this and create these little sticks made of your paper, your black paper. You are going to create these little sticks, okay, by yourself. Háganlos ustedes mismos. You are going to produce a lot of these little sticks made of paper, okay? First, this is our first activity. Create sticks. Esta es nuestra primera actividad. Crear los palitos de este papel. Okay? When you put your glue on the black line, then paste the sticks, the black sticks, on the lines. Like this. Carefully keep your hand clean and paste. All follow the all black lines. When you finish your sticks, your black sticks, now with an orange paper we are going to elaborate little balls. Ahora vamos a hacer pequeñas pelotitas, pequeñas bolitas. Very compact, muy compactas. Like this. Check this, miren, observen, check. With your fingers, you are going to make a little ball. Van a hacer una pequeña bolita. Very compact, muy compacta. With your right hand and with your left hand. One with the right and one with your left. Okay, presionen, press the paper and do it something very little. Y hagan algo pequeñito. Okay, ball, stress the paper, tensa el papel, stress the paper, press and do it. You have to do a lot of little balls, okay? Okay, I have this. Now I have to put my little balls on the pumpkin using glue. Put glue in some places of your pumpkin. And with a ball, spread the glue. Spread the glue. Spread the glue. Ajá. Quiere decir distribuye el pegamento. Spread the glue and paste all the balls. Look at this. Ajá. My fingers are clean. Mis dedos están limpios. So, pay attention, be neatness, pon atención, trata de hacerlo limpio. No te ensucies tus manos. Keep your hands clean, like this. You are going to paste the whole surface of your pumpkin. Vas a pegar las bolitas en toda la superficie de tu calabaza. When you finish, send to me the photo. Cuando termines, mándame la foto. Acuérdate, no la tienes que hacer todo el mismo día. Distribuye tus actividades para que no te canses, no te aburras. Esta actividad la puedes hacer a lo largo de la semana. Es muy importante que tú, mi alumno, la hagas porque hacer pelotitas y hacer estos palitos va a fortalecer la forma en que tú puedas mejorar tu letra. Son actividades para el desarrollo psicomotriz.